Hosting during the holidays can have its perks, like no driving in the snow, but it can also add extra stress. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make a simple take-home party favor that'll earn you the title Hostess with the Mostess, no matter if the turkey turns out dry. Homemade granola. To begin, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. While that's heating up, line a large rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. In a large bowl, mix together 4 cups of old-fashioned oats, 2 cups of Hy-Vee unsweetened coconut flakes, 2 cups of Blue Diamond whole natural almonds, a half cup of milled flaxseed, 2 tablespoons of Full Circle Market organic chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons of Hy-Vee ground cinnamon. Blue Diamond almonds contain a good source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and many vitamins and minerals. Next, stir together a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee unsweetened applesauce, and a 1/3 cup of 100% pure maple syrup until combined. Pour the wet bowl into the dry bowl and stir well to coat. Pour the mixture onto the prepared baking pan and bake for 20 to 30 minutes until the granola is evenly browned. When it's done, remove the granola from the oven and allow to cool. Stir in 1½ cups of dried mixed berries, and you can store the cooled granola in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. And don't forget to get your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy and earn a 20-cent fuel saver. Plus, save time and get your COVID-19 vaccination and flu shot together in one appointment. Schedule your appointment online today at Hy-Vee.com.